Guilt can eat you alive. Better to say it all out loud than let it devour you from the inside.
I want to tell you that. I have to.
Do you want to be back together with him?
I don't know. I think so, I really do. But I don't know if that's just because I feel really guilty and I want to make his sadness go away.
You can't be responsible for someone else's happiness.
No, but I'm literally responsible for his sadness. I'm responsible for the sadness he hasn't even been sad about yet.
I've been living with a lot of guilt. I didn't kill my husband. I know there's been a lot of rumours and gossip and even police investigations, but I didn't. I might have waited a bit long to call the ambulance. That's what I might have done. I was shocked and it didn't seem real. But I've been feeling guilty because I was relieved. I was relieved when he died. I never told people that before.
We still love you, Marie.
Oh, absolutely. Thank you both.
Local drama doesn't get tastier and more addictive than the Mnet original crime mystery, Recipes for Love and Murder. Season 2. Watch it now on Catch Up.